Again with another Webtoon artist advice chit chat corner. That's a long title, but we're gonna roll with it. So I've gotten this question before, and this is also a question that I had for myself in the past when I first started out with Webtoons, and that was, could I still upload my horizontal comic formatted comic page onto Tapastic or Webtoon? And the question, the answer is yeah, of course you can. But the thing that I was apprehensive about and why I was wondering, oh, can I still upload these comic pages on there, is because, with Webtoon comic, well, with web comics, not Webtoon comics, but with web comics in general, as you can see, they are in the almost horizontal format, or this isn't horizontal, but it's just compiled together. This is a manga style format, so it's not the horizontal, the horizontal, it's not words, let me slow down. It's not in the horizontal straight line format. This is more so just a traditional comic format of a cluster of different manga pages or comic panels all on one page. And I was so used to seeing only the vertical panel style like this on Webtoon, and I was afraid to upload my comic pages onto different Webtoon platforms such as Tapastic or Line Webtoon. But I just want to reassure you, you can totally upload your comic pages onto Webtoon platforms as long as they're within the 800 by 1280 size requirement. I believe for Tapastic it is actually like 900 by 2000. It can't be any higher than that. So as long as within that restriction, you should not have any issues uploading your comic onto their platforms. And another thing that might scare people off, or that kind of scared me off at first from uploading my comic or my web comic onto a Webtoon platform, was I was worried about the viewers. How would the audience react to my story? Would they get mad and be like, "You don't belong here, get off of here"? And let me go ahead and show you my comments. I was happily surprised that so many people, they were so kind and they were more so invested in the comic to where they didn't really care about the format of it. And it's like, I get that, because I use analogies when I speak. So when you get a cake, you don't really, and it's a good cake, say your grandma or somebody that you love, or just whoever bakes you that bomb cake or peach cobbler, and you're not worried about how the peach cobbler was made or what style the peach cobbler is in. As long as they make the peach cobbler, you're eating it because it's delicious. That's kind of like how comics are. And a lot of people, they enjoyed the comic and they weren't bothered by it being in the traditional comic format on a Webtoon platform website. So to answer the question, can you still upload your comic pages onto Tapastic and Webtoon? Yeah. Just make sure it's in the size requirements, and you're good to go. So if anybody gives you any issues or whatever about that, you can just go ahead and lead them to me. Tell them that I told you to do it, and then lead them to me, and I'll be like that cool big sister that's like, hey, mind your business and read the story and enjoy your life, or whatever. I don't know. I'm the baby of the family, so I don't know how to be a big sister, but I know how to be snooty, not snooty, because it's not nice to be snooty, but I can be stern. I'm not really that stern, but I can do it for you guys. So upload your comic, get it out there, have fun, and be happy drawing it in the way that makes you happy. If you could see me, I'm pointing my finger in a dramatic way, but yeah. So I hope that answers the question, and I hope you guys enjoyed my little Webtoon artist advice corner. I don't know what I should call this series. Webtoon artist chit chat. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Ooh, don't forget, you can also read both my comics, Love Me, Catch Me, Fight Me, Love Me, on my website at S-Morishitastudio.com. You can also read all of this story, Love, Love, Fighting, on S-Morishitastudio.com, or you can read my other comic, School Memories, on S-Morishitastudio.com, or, also on Tapastic as well if you like. So if you guys have any other questions you'd like me to talk about, feel free to leave me a comment down below. don't worry, I have plenty of questions that I can already talk about if you guys don't have any questions, because I'm a chatterbox. I can talk. Lord, I can talk. And then sometimes I can't. I'm like, I don't know what to talk about. But I've gotten better, so I'm rambling. I hope you guys have a good, I don't know if it's day or night, so I hope you guys have a good life and are happy. That sounds bleak. Don't know how to close this. I will talk to you guys again another time. Bye!